Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about QGIS and the very basics of classifying data, or classifying images. So without further ado, let's get started now. What you want to do is you want to download some of these TIFFs from USGS Explorer or wherever else you want them. Basically, you can see that these three TIFFs, they're corresponding to B1, B2, B3. This is an indication of which sort of bands they are. Now, a band is basically just the range of infrared, or range of, I guess, the frequency of reflective radiation. So I'll open up another window. Let's see. So we can see here we have the wavelength. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unfortunately, I only have 3 here because I couldn't download everything, or my internet was quite slow and I don't have a whole lot of space left on my disk. But basically, we can just see it goes from descending order. So, for example, the band number 1 is coastal to aerosol. The wavelength is between 0.433 to 0.453 micrometers. Second, we have blue. Third, green. 4, red. 5, near infrared. 6, shortwave. 7, shortwave 2. Basically, what we can do is we can combine these sorts of bands together to create a sort of representation of what exactly is showing up. So, for example, you can just choose a particular combination for waterways or leafy forest vegetations or development, I think. Human development, I think. Yeah, makes sense. So basically that's what the bands are. Now how to use them? Well, again, we're going to have to... What we can do is we can go to the RGB. Click on either 432 or 431. I have to click it once because, again, QGIS is not being very helpful to us. So again, we're going to click 321, 432, 2, 1. Again, QGIS is sort of buggy right now, but it should work eventually. Okay, sorry about that. So first off, what you'll need you need to, before you continue, you have to download SCP, which is basically a semi-automatic classification plugin. So we'll go over to plugins. We're going to manage install plugins. It's going to load. You can just type in SCP. And we have semi-automatic classification program. So if you don't have this installed, you're going to need it installed. So let's click close. Go to SCP. Once you have it, then Landsat. Get Landsat. And yeah, so basically, well, I already input all of these, but basically what you can do, once you have these bands open, you can just click refresh. And then once you select these like so, you just add band to band set. So we're going to click reset for now, and we're going to just add them. This is an important step to do this. So basically, once we have this, we don't have to click run actually, we can just leave it in as is. Now finally what we can do is we can go back to 3.21. And this is our sort of colorized image. Now again, it's not a full true color image because 432 is actually the code for a true color image, but because we don't have band number 4, this is the best we can do. So yeah, basically this is the very basics on how you can color, or how you can classify terrain based on what exactly is showing up. I'll show a video, show a graphic at the end, or link to a graphic in another useful video that shows exactly what sort of combinations you can use to plot different land covers. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of very basic, very bare bones image classification. Be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.